Let me show you my favorite ceramic electric cooktop. All you have to do is plug it in. It's electric and super easy to use. I love the sleek design and the touch press buttons. You simply press the on button and the up or down button and select the level of heat. There's also a keep warm button, a timer, a pause, and a peak heat button. You'll notice right away that it starts heating up. You can use so many different kinds of pans. I love to use my skillet pan on it. And since it has 2 burners, you can even use a griddle on this, which is amazing, or larger pots, you name it. It's also great for indoor and outdoor use, and as you can see, it cooks just like a normal stove. It's seriously so convenient, easy to clean, easy to use, and I love that I can take it with me anywhere. Honestly, can't go wrong. When you're done, you simply press the off button and wait for it to completely cool before cleaning. I absolutely love that you can use one burner or both at the same time if you want. Seriously, so convenient. I highly recommend this stove.